range? This is air defense. Beta, try to make a difference. Air defense missiles are different. Normal missiles are different. Agni. Agni 5 is the longest range. What is the range? Agni 5, what is the range? 5,000 kilometers. Okay? 5,000 kilometers. Which India is developing and doing trials to increase its range by 7,000 kilometers. Trials are already underway. So Agni 5, presently having a range of 5,000 kilometers, will have a range of 7,000 kilometers. By extending this range to 7,000 kilometers, we will be covering entire China. By 5,000 kilometers, we will not be covering full China. Understood? So one is Agni 5. So Agni has all series: Agni 5, Agni 4, Agni 3, Agni 2, Agni 1. Started from 1, now we have gone up to 5. After Agni, what is the missile? BrahMos is 1. Yes. Prithvi. How do you forget this? Prithvi missile, okay? It has a range from 150 to 350 to 500 kilometers only. So it is used for tactical attack. Do you remember I have mentioned tactical word? Tactical battle means what? I taught in the classroom also. Tactical battle, yes.
Battle fought with a strategy.
Battles fought in the front line. That is tactical battle. A strategic battle means यहाँ से बैठ के इस्लामाबाद उड़ा दिया. बोर्ड पर स्ट्रेटजी बैठ करके इसको मारना है, इसको मारना है, इसको मारना है. Tactical is सामने से लड़ाई हो रही है. That local battle जो है where it is going on, that is called tactical battle. Understood the difference between tactical and strategic? These two words are important. You should understand this. So in missiles, you remember now Agni series and then Prithvi series. Okay? These two are important. Prithvi is short range, 150 to 350. Now they are making extendable range up to 500. But it is basically short range. So this is a tactical missile. Remember? Short range. आमने सामने की लड़ाई में 200-400 किलोमीटर पर अटैक करना है. This can be used. Agni cannot be used for this short range. Agni is for long range. It is IRBM, intermediary range ballistic missile. Understood? IRBM, intermediary range ballistic missile. इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल. किसको बोलेंगे इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल? नाम सुना होगा. इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल नाम सुना होगा. ICBM. The biggest types of and very effective missiles are ICBM. मतलब एक कॉन्टिनेंट से दूसरे कॉन्टिनेंट में तुम अटैक कर सकते हो. वेरी सिंपल. इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल. Okay? So which missile can be categorized in that category? क्या होने से वो ICBM डिक्लेयर हो सकता है? नो. इसमें क्या क्वालिटी होगी कि उस मिसाइल को हम ICBM बोलेंगे? Okay, very simple. Remember this. Any missile which has a range of more than 5,000 kilometers. More than 5,000 kilometers. These missiles are called intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM. एक कॉन्टिनेंट से तुम दूसरे कॉन्टिनेंट, एक महादेश से दूसरे महादेश पर अटैक करने की कैपेसिटी है. समझ गए?